My kind neighbor lent me this pond tub for the summer for the ducklings. Look how they have grown. I think it's April 10th today. I don't know, they're about 21, 22 days old. But my gosh, I'm going to put my hand close to them so you get the relationship of how they have grown. Do they love this or what? Hey, babies. Hey, remember when that little one came up into my hand? Look, I'm trying to put my hand under him. Not cooperating. All right. Yeah, look at this. Boy, do they grow fast. This is the third time I put them in that water. Look how filthy it is. I was going to dump it off, and I thought, oh, I'll stick them in one more time. Oh, look at them. Oh, how they love to dive. And, oh, you can't have a duck without water. It's just not fair. Look at this. It is not fair. So we have to watch their tails to see if a tail curls up or not. Ooh, he just really pooped a lot. Messy. Messy but good. If the tail curls up, it's a drake. If it fans out, it's a female, called a hen. So, I don't know, it looks like that tail's curling up to me, that one. Hard to tell. They're not sitting still, are they? But even soaking wet, that one tail's coming up a lot. Boy, do they have fun. They are the happiest little characters. But see, that tail really looks like it's curling up. I could have a drake there. I could have a drake and a hen, which means I'll be getting baby ducklings one day from them. Pekin ducklings. Oh my, those little wings are growing. You can see how much more white they are. They'll be pure white. And the size is amazing to me that they can grow that quickly. Yeah, that one tail's definitely sticking up and the other one's definitely not. Oh, this is exciting. Okay, folks, signing out from BillySparksFarm.com.